This is a message from the Canary Islanders for Mrs. Routine and for Mr. Stress, for the inventor of queues, days without sun and stifling hot summers, for the demanding bosses, and for all those who live a life full of stress. You have to come here and here. You need to rest and recharge your batteries to enjoy the sun and the stars, to rediscover your partner and listen to his or her stories. You need to come to the only place in the world where the temperature is perfect all year round. That's why we're telling you this. You need to come to the Canary Islands, the place with the best climate in the world, to make your life shine again.